Breaking news from inside Tibet.
On February 23, 2024, more than 1,000 Tibetans were arrested in Kumdege for protesting the Chinese government's construction of a dam that will displace 2,000 Tibetans in occupied Tibet and further ravage Tibet's environment.
The dam will destroy the two villages of Upper Wonto and Shiba, as well as Wonto Monastery, which has Tibetan Buddhist murals from the 13th century, along with Yena, Kardo, Rabden, Gonsar, and Tashi monasteries.
According to a local source, before the mass arrest at Wonto Monastery, the monks and villagers wore their rosaries around their necks, lifted a Kangyur Buddha Sutra over their heads, and swore an oath to not step back, whatever may come next.
For the crime of defending their homes and environment, more than 1,000 Tibetans have been arrested.
Share this video and story with environmental activists and organizations.
Tag them below.
Pegelo.
Victory to Tibet!